Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 73 International Scout. Got a 6-cylinder. You don't see a lot of 6-cylinders. 6-cylinder, 4-speed. They did a cheap paint job on it. You can still see some dings. There's some debris in it. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you can. A lot of dirt in it. And there's a few hail dings up here. There you can see the one. Here's another one. So not perfect. Couple dings right here. A little crease right there. Windshield's got a crack right in the middle, so it doesn't really inhibit your driving. Another little ding. Like I said, they just didn't take a lot of time in the bodywork. Interior is quite nice. Has original matte, but has new seat covers and new door panels. Missing a dash pad. But for if you want to Scout and you want to keep it on a budget, this one's got new paint on it, and there probably must have had some rust down in there. It's pretty typical. The back halves of the Scouts are where they rusted. Had this open earlier. A few extra parts go with it back there. So, affordable Scout that looks good driving her down the road, as we say in the car business. She's a 10 to 15 footer. Tires are, as of right now, this is how we're selling it, but tires are definitely aged and we'll need to have some new tires. 605-695-7391.